Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Neeraj and I am from Buxar, Bihar, and today is my day 17 of English speaking challenge. And of course, I have started this channel to improve myself, to improve my English speaking skills, to improve my confidence. Okay, whenever I get one or two likes or whenever I get one or two likes on a video, I just feel over the moon. It feels like, okay, somebody is watching me and appreciating my hard work. Appreciating my hard work. Okay, and if someone gets motivated after watching my video, it really make me feel grateful. Okay. So I have used an idiom, over the moon. That means I feel very happy. Now if I have said that in a very simple English, like I feel very happy when I see that someone has liked my video, when I see that I get one or two likes on my video, I feel very happy. Now this is a basic simple. Now if I added an idiom, now the sentence looks more natural, expressive, richer. It sounds richer, right? So that is the essence of idioms. That is the essence of idioms. So today I am going to give you some idioms, not much. I'm just talking about 5 idioms. We will talk about just 5 idioms that you can use in your conversation, in your daily conversation. These idioms are like that only, that you can use in your conversation. Okay, and because I have just learned these idioms, and I'm using also these idioms in my conversation whenever I write a journal. That is also a way of improving your English writing skills. So I used to write journal daily for 5 minutes, just 5 and 10 minutes, whatever I have experienced the whole day, whatever I have done the whole day, I just write my thoughts in a diary. So there I used to try to use those idioms. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's start. Our first idiom is a piece of cake. A piece of cake is very simple and very easy. There you can use this idiom, a piece of cake. Now very simple, very easy. These words are used daily in your conversations, right? So you start using this idiom. Make a habit of using this idiom so that it comes naturally. Okay, so just let me give you an example. Cooking Maggie is a piece of cake for me. The math test was a piece of cake for me. That means it was very easy and simple. Use the idiom in this sentence. Now the sentence seems like it is an advanced level sentence, right? Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Second idiom is a cup of tea. Cup of tea means something that you enjoy, something that you like it. For example, reading is my cup of tea. Or writing is also a cup of tea for me. Gym workouts is not my cup of tea. Waking up early is not my cup of tea. That means I really don't enjoy it. I really don't like it, doing all these things. So you can say cup of tea, my cup of tea. Okay. Now the third one is spill the beans. Spill the beans means to reveal the secret accidentally, unintentionally, okay, about any plan or about any surprise party. For example, she spilled the beans about the surprise party in front of my friends. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth one. On the same page. It means that agree with someone or having same understanding or same ideas or same plans. We are finally on the same page about the plan. The team wasn't on the same page. That means they were not having same understanding. Okay. Last one. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. That means now it's your turn to make a decision or take a action. For example, I have explained everything. Now the ball is in your court. I have explained everything. Now the ball is in your court. So these are the idioms, 5 idioms. So start using these idioms in your conversation, because these are very used one. Like you can use it in your conversation, and try to form a story around these idioms. Okay, try to form a story around this idiom. I have just formed a story and used 2 idioms in that. I have written it. I have written that short story, very short story, and have used the idiom in that. So you can also do that. Yeah, and of course one more thing I would like to share with you. Like when I was writing this story where I can use this idiom, I first wrote it in my notebook. Okay, then what happened, we don't have any tutor or we haven't joined any course. Okay, so how would we correct ourselves? If we are making any mistake, how will you correct yourself? So many of the students, I think learners, must be knowing that ChatGPT is the easiest way, and that is also free. Just what you have to do, write it in your notebook, the sentences or the story, anything, and click a photo and upload on the ChatGPT. And there you can just write it, give a prompt to the ChatGPT, a clear prompt that you are my English teacher, please correct me wherever I am wrong, correct the sentences and tell me what is the grammar mistakes in that. Believe me, he will give you proper it will give you in an explained manner why it is incorrect, where it is incorrect, even if capitals, punctuations, everything it will tell you. So it's not that you need a tutor, a course only. Just whatever the plan is, like whatever the plan you are following for the whole day, do it and put it. You don't even have to type on the ChatGPT, because typing on the ChatGPT takes lots of time. Maybe some of must be good in typing, but the thing is to put the phone away, because what we do usually, what happen with usually, it's a human nature, we start scrolling. If we get a phone in our hand, we just, ChatGPT will go behind, and on the top of that you are scrolling a short or an YouTube, and just you get distracted. So it's better to keep your phone away, write in your notebook and just click it and upload on the ChatGPT and give a prompt that please correct my paragraph where what the corrections are needed. It will explain you like a teacher, and then you will come to know what are the errors in your, and you can correct it. Okay, so that's what I have done. I have prepared this story and I asked the ChatGPT to correct it. It corrected it. There was some grammatical errors it had, so the ChatGPT corrected it. So I'm going to share this paragraph with you. It will just give you a picture. It will give you a picture how to use the idioms in your sentences in a paragraph, and how can you practice it. So just listen it. This morning I had a small problem at work. I had to make a presentation, but honestly it was a piece of cake for me. Yes, I finished it in just 15 minutes. My colleague looked at me and said, "Wow, presentation is a cup of tea for you." I smiled and said, Yeah, actually, it is a cup of tea for me because I really enjoy making presentations. So, here I have used two idioms, piece of cake and a cup of tea. So, this is how you can use it. Make some imaginary story and try to use those idioms. Okay, so you can just write your daily routine. Maybe in daily routine you can just write it, I have to wake up early in the morning, but that is not my cup of tea. After waking up, I have to go in the kitchen and I thought of making Maggie. And because Maggie is just a piece of cake, so I decided to cook Maggie. After that, we decided to have a surprise lunch. So after that, we decided to have a surprise lunch. But my elder sister, my younger sister just spilled the beans in front of my parents, and they came to know about that surprise lunch party. So here I have used three idioms. So in this way you can go and use the idioms, right? Use it, correct it try and take the help of the ChatGPT and correct your errors. Okay. So we have come to the end of this video. So your work is to choose a topic and speak about it, record yourself and listen it or watch it and find out what magical improvement you can see in your speaking when you use idioms. Okay, so thank you for listening, and give me a like because it really motivates me and I feel very happy that somebody liked my video and they have listened me and they are appreciating me, how I am improving myself, how I'm feeling how my confidence is growing up. Okay, so thank you so much for listening.